How to create a new project in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer. You will see the software launcher. From here, click on Edit Clips to enter the software. This will open the default project. But if you want to create a new project, go to the File menu, select New from the drop-down and then click New Project. You can also press Ctrl+N as a shortcut for quick access. A new project will appear where you can delete the default music and add your own audio to edit. You can now import audio files by dragging them directly into the timeline or by using the Import Media option. Once your files are added, you can start editing, mixing, restoring, or enhancing your audio with all the professional tools available. If you want to change file settings, click on the Preferences gear icon in the top right corner, then select File. Here you can adjust the sample rate, bit depth, and channels. Make sure to choose settings that match your audio requirements for the best quality. After setting up your project preferences, click OK to apply them to your project. Remember to save your project regularly to avoid losing any progress. You can do this by clicking File, then Save Project or using the shortcut Ctrl+S. Then give your project a name and select the location to save it. Now you know how to create a project in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.